In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use flares in War Thunder. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. By default, flares are not binded to any key, so what you have to do is to click this hamburger menu at the top left corner of the screen where you are in the lobby before joining a game, and head into the control settings. In here, look for Fire Countermeasures, and as you can see, you will be able to bind this button to any key. I went ahead and I binded it to F8 as an example. Just click on it, assign button, and then tap the button that you want to use to fire your flares. Now I'm gonna demonstrate this by doing a test flight. Now what you have to do is find a vehicle that has flares in the modifications tab. So as you can see, if I open up the modifications for this jet fighter, in the countermeasures tab, I'll be able to find standard flares. You can choose whichever ones you want, but as long as it has the modification equipped, you will be able to go into battle and fire the countermeasures. So as you can see, I'm going to demonstrate this by doing a test flight. So as you can see, once we're flying with the vehicle that has the countermeasures equipped, we can press the button and it will fire them. You can press it as many times as you want and they will go off. I hope I was able to help you on how to fire countermeasures in War Thunder. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.